a 28-year-old resident of Nueva Ecija, he is a dynamic force in the world of motorcycles. Having kick-started his career as a live streamer in 2018 with the thirst of adventure, he ventured into travel vlogging in 2019. However, his true passion lies in motorcycles, leading him to transition into captivating motorcycle views and thrilling and vlogs. His extensive experience and captivating content make him the perfect brand ambassador for a motorcycle tire. SirTroy Motovlog.
Okay, what is up sa inyo mga ma'am sir? It's your boy SirTroy. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo yung suit ni Kuya Jay, no? Corsa, dominate the streets. So today is the official launch day of the Corsa motorcycle tires. At isa nga kami ni I am Jamit siya napiling maging ambassador ng Corsa. So ngayon pupunta kami ng Mototown, Bridgetown, Pasig City. So ang call time namin is 1 PM 4 minutes before 1. Dito pa rin kami. Shoutout sa Scramble Marketing, kay Ma'am Janice, kay Ma'am Donna, Lifestyle on Wheels, Corsa Motorcycle Tires Philippines. Ayan, maraming salamat po para sa opportunity na ibinigay nyo sa amin. Corsa, dominate the streets. Bridgetown. Oh, ito pala yung nakikita kong tawag dito, Victory Statue ba to? Isa pa Corsa, let's go. Corsa Supremacy Unleashed. Hi, Jancy! What's up? Yeah. Nahiya yung motor ko bigla, yung itim naging putim. Grabe oh, galing pang Nueva Ecija yan. So, tara, pasok tayo doon sa loob. Gawan mo lang. Oh, Jancy! Hello! Yeah. Look who's this. Big Moto, what's up?
1, 2, 3,
Yes.
check.
So, dry run ng 1 PM. Dito Nars. Okay, so dito pala naka-display yung mga gulong.
Dito kasi may unveiling of the Corsa brand. Kayo na yung tatawagin, si Ambassadors. Mga tanong na kailangan nyo ding sagutin.
Paano? Ay, Jeff, kamukha tayo.
Yeah.
Tanong mo na lang agad yung sa rider.
Hello.
Thank you so much, sir, and good afternoon to everyone. And thank you, Corsa Tires, for inviting us.
Balance state, we need to have a reset break whenever we are feeling or
So,
Ano gusto mo?
umulan ano?
Ano gusto mo muna?
Nagpasukan muna ulit sa loob.
Skyflex.
Habang nag-demo kanina. Pero ito sana yung pinaka-maganda at pinaka-the best na i-demo yung gulong ng mga Corsa ano, kasi basa. Ayan. So ngayon, nandito kami sa loob ng tent. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo.
Okay, congratulations. Our next...
Marunong na pwede na tayo braking. May control na si rider. Okay, so that's where you can have a safe environment to try out your riding skills, particularly braking.
The desire to... The challenge awaits. With excellent grip and handling performance. On the road. Corsa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mototown right here at Bridgetown. Are you guys excited? Gusto ko maramdaman ang energy ninyo. Are you guys excited?
Known as SirTroy motovlog. A 28-year-old resident of Nueva Ecija, he is a dynamic force in the world of motorcycles. Having kickstarted his career as a live streamer in 2018 with the thirst of adventure, he ventured into travel vlogging in 2019.
Sa gitna?
However, his true passion lies in motorcycles, leading him to transition into captivating motorcycle views and thrilling enduro vlogs. His extensive experience in captivating content make him the perfect brand ambassador for a motorcycle tire. SirTroy motovlog.
Tatlo na kami rito.
Is also known as Primera Recta. I am Jamich.
Bakit malungkot ang beshi ko? Uy, dito muna, dito muna.
Doing your dream ride. With our page established Goddess Moto. Decade of experience as a multi-awarded professional, Boss Carl. Also known as Nars Lagalag.
Palakpakan na natin yung ating mga brand ambassadors, ladies and gentlemen. Mas malakas pa! Yan, sino excited pa lalo ulit sa Rapol? Naubos yung boses ko sa Araneta Coliseum noong isang araw eh. Ano mo tayo? Compress. Yan, para sa isang picture taking. Yan, kinuha muna. Sige. Hindi na kayo! Ilabas ang camera! Ilabas ang video! Gano'n katagal yung pinarapis to kanina? Ganito! You know ba yun? To go tonight, so we would like to call in our executives. Ladies first muna, let's approach the buffet station. Stay put. Kung ayaw pa mga ladies, then perhaps.
And guys, so tuloy yung demo sa labas, ano? So nag-i-stand na sila, yan. Naka-live feed ngayon dito sa aming LED wall. Kaya labasin natin. Excuse mo ha. Rain or shine tayo, guys. Congrats Corsa. Congrats. Alright guys, what is up sa inyo? So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung after ng mag-demo nila ng mga gulong, dahil nalobat ako. So ayan, nakabiyahe na ako ngayon at andito pa rin tayo sa parting Marikina, or malapit na tong lumabas ng EDSA eh. Corsa Platinum R93. So yan yung gulong na binigay nila sa atin. Actually, ni-request ko rin yan. Ayan, kabilaan yan. Ito yung panlikod, tas nandito sa kanan yung pangharap. Congrats sa Corsa Motorcycle Tires Philippines. Ayan, para sa napaka-successful na launch. Time check, almost mag 11:20. So estimated na dating natin ng Nueva Ecija mga around 1:30, ganyan, pinaka safe, 2.5 hours. Oh shit, lumagpas ako. Medyo na tayo, no, groggy and exhausted na tayo maghapon. Maraming salamat kay Ma'am Janice, kay Ma'am Donna, Lifestyle on Wheels, so Scramble Marketing, kay Boss Joseph Lim, kay Boss Andrew Lim ng Corsa. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa opportunity na binigay nyo ngayon. So ayan, another blessing na naman ang dumapo sa atin ngayong araw. Kahit umuulan, kahit bumabagyo, ayan, napakabait ng panahon sa atin. Hindi tayo hinayaan na basang-basa, magdamag, ano. Although kanina may mga nabutan tayong mga ambon, pero hindi tayo totally binabagyo. Ayun, so maraming salamat sa Panginoon Diyos para sa lahat ng biyaya at pagpapala na ginagawad niya sa akin. Lalo na yung pag-iingat, ano. Pinapag-iingat niya ako sa lahat ng mga biyahe ko. Ayan. So biyaya kasi sa atin yan, yung tayo ay makalibot sa iba't ibang lugar, makakilala ng mga bagong kaibigan. Yun, so maraming salamat guys sa panonood, at kung nagustuhan nyo yung ating video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification para updated kayo pag may bagong video tayo. Alright, so ride safe and see you on my next one.